Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning into a brand new video. Today we got these two $20 215 million cash explosions, my favorite $20 ticket. And yeah, so we got two of them today, $40 worth. Tickets 8 and 9. The odds on these bad puppies are 1 in 3.09. Went up to $2.5 million. The way the game is played is a match win. Find a money bag, win $100 instantly. 20x, 20 times your prize. So without further ado, let's just get into it and see how we do. You win up to 25 times. I've seen manual win-alls, and I would love to find one today. We won't be using this coin. I'll be honest. It does not scratch well on this type of material, but we can still double tap that lucky swig. We sure can. All right, let's go. 40 bucks. Let's find some massive winners today. Let's get it. All right. Looking for a 25, 36, 16, 48, 39, and a 33. See, even the sharpest coin of the pack can't even barely scratch this thing. All right, let's go. Lucky 32. Not a winner, though. 18, 11, 35, 15, 16. We got a beautiful match. All right, let's keep them coming. Keep them coming. 26. Or no, or just one. One's fine. 28. There's a 29. Oh, no, that's 39. 16. It's always good to win on the big boys. A 3. I have a feeling that 20x is going to pop up in here. Just off of, I don't know. But hey, one single match is okay. 24. 46, 27, and 31. Just imagine 16. Nice. Well, yeah, that's the only way to win the prize, the max jackpot. And it is going to be a $20. It'll make us holla. We'll take it. Better than a kick in the hindquarters. Can we go back to back? Who's to say? Let's symbol hunt this bad puppy and see how we do. $35. Okay. Nope. $8, a 7, and a 40 deuce. Nope. I'm looking for duplicate numbers as well. So 14. Did it sell 14? Nope. All right, let's go this way. Well, that works a little bit better. Yeah. No duplicate numbers so far. And the last bit. No symbols. We had 249s. No, we did not. I lied. 231s? No. 30 Savions? 44 club? No. A lot of 4s going around here. Looks like it might actually be a back-to-back, though. I don't know. Who's to say? Let's get it. The dirty 30. The foul. We had double foul. Nope. 25. 35. Nope. 36. Nope. 3 spots left. 40 Savion. We got 30 Savion. And a Savion. Nope. All right, come on. Eliavion. Nope. And last spot, a deuce. Got double deuces. And this one is, unfortunately, a dud. But that is okay because guess what? We got a winner here. We got 20 bucks back out of the 40 spent. So if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below. I had a blast playing this, and hopefully you had a blast watching, and hopefully it was entertaining for you. Anyways, thank you guys, and we'll see y'all tomorrow for another brand new video. Goodbye.